bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Fetal hiccups are a healthy sign during pregnancy, showing your baby's nervous system and diaphragm are developing well. Most moms start feeling these gentle, rhythmic movements around 18 weeks. While surprising at times, hiccups are normal and rarely a concern. If you ever notice sudden changes in your baby's movements, it's best to consult your healthcare provider.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.